So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly convert units using your keyboard on Vivo V29 Lite. To convert units, go to any app that you can type in, for example messages, any communicator like WhatsApp, Snapchat, or Facebook Messenger, or maybe go to Notes. I'm gonna go to Notes. Then let's create a new note and type in a value with a unit, for example 12 centimeters. Then double tap on it and click on convert. Then it will get you to Google and convert it to meters by default, but you can also change it to, for example, miles, and then it will show you the result here. I'm gonna convert it to feet and double tap on the result, then click on copy, and now I'm gonna go back to notes and I can paste it like that. So let's say it equals to no, it was feet. So yeah, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.